Hi all, Carol here. I'm gonna do some tests. I want to do a dirty pour on a bigger canvas, but I want to check out the colors and see if I like how it looks. I make some adjustments if I don't. So what I got here is maroon. I have a turquoise. This is an aqua green. Some people call it teal. This is a light green. I love this color. It goes well with a lot of things. And then I have a metallic white. And this is a 10 by 10. So I'm just going to pour it on. I'm just going to see what happens. Here we go. Oh, I got almost all the edges. Almost. There we go. Well, it definitely looks different than the dirty pour, but I really do like these colors. There it is, another one with the same colors. We'll see how it dries. Well, thank you so much for putting up with me and in correcting this. And leave your thoughts in the comments below. I would love hearing from you if you like this piece. And if you got anything out of this, please give it a like. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Have a great day. Bye.